Hey guys, Dan Heilman back with another video. Today we're going to be going through all of my best performing altcoins this cycle. I'll go through my portfolio here. I'll show you everything I have, what kind of returns I'm getting, and what the price targets are for these different coins. So I'm going to focus on the best performers that I have had this year, this cycle. Let's begin. So let's just take a real quick update in the market. What do we got going on? We are almost at another all-time high. We literally are $10 away from another all-time high. And we are very close to, at the time of this recording, we're only 0.8% away from 100K. I don't know what's going to happen at 100K. There might be a lot of sell orders. We might just blast right through it. I'm not really sure. We'll have to see what happens. Only time will tell. I have seen so many people saying, oh, we're going down to 60K after we hit 100K. And maybe because so many people think that, maybe it's not going to happen. But again, I'm not a financial advisor and I cannot tell the future. So do your own due diligence here and let's see what's going on. All right, so let's talk about what we got going on in the account. I do have a big leverage trade open up on Bitunix right now. I have almost $1,000 of profits taken out already, and we have almost $4,000 of profits, up 140%. I have just been adding to this as we dip down and taking profits as we go up. I do have another take profit at 99,900, hoping that we get a bounce back from 100K, but it doesn't matter if I take some profits. Profits are profits, right? So I got plenty of Bitcoin in my portfolio to counteract the fact if I take profits too early. So, all right, and here's why you're probably here. Let's talk about altcoins. So first of all, here is my biggest holdings. Sorry, my mouth is dry. Biggest holdings right now, Bitcoin. I have about $75,000 of Bitcoin, about 0.76. Now, some of this is in my Roth IRA and some is in a Bitcoin ETF. This is not all actual Bitcoin. Same with Ethereum. I do have some ETFs for Ethereum as well. Solana is my second biggest holding. It's really my first biggest holding if you're not including anything in my Roth IRA. So anyways, Solana is my biggest, and then Ethereum, Cardano, Render, FET, Kronos, Tether. So these are my biggest holdings. Now, this is CoinStats. Feel free to download it. I like it. I don't have a sponsored link or anything for CoinStats. So this is kind of what I use. It also helps me track my tax purposes because when I look in here, you can see all your different transactions. You can see my holdings, where I have them. You can see, basically my average cost that I've bought in, my total cost, 46K, total worth 75K. I have traded Bitcoin, so that's why this number is a little bit higher. So basically what I did, if we go back to this chart right here, let me put this parallel channel. Basically what I was doing was, as we got near the top of this channel, I was selling Bitcoin. When we got to the bottom channel, I was buying Bitcoin. And I did this over a couple months and was able to trade and get a decent amount. And I was just using spot, I wasn't actually, using any sort of trading broker. I was just doing it on Coinbase. So just a little tidbit there. All right, now the fun part. Let's talk about biggest winners. I'm going to do sort by percentage, and then I'm going to do all time. All time? Yeah. Okay, all time. So all time biggest performer was BNB. I should probably throw that one out because I was buying BNB for $7 back in 2017, 2018, when I was first trading on Binance. If you held BNB in your account, you had cheaper fees and you could use the BNB to pay for fees. So I bought 7 of these for $7 each. And then it went up to about $700. So I was up 1,000%. I did purchase another BNB. So that's why my percentage is less than 1,000. But that was my best performer of all time, but that's not really this year, so I'll kind of throw that one out. Stellar Lumens, honestly, I'm surprised. So Stellar Lumens, again, this is another buy that I was purchasing years and years and years ago. I have purchased more recently, but again, this one is from an old cycle. I have been a crypto investor since about 2017, so that one kind of makes sense. Up 191% on Stellar Lumens. XRP, I never thought that XRP would be one of my biggest holders. I guess I should do price predictions also while I go through this. BNB, I think, can easily hit 2,000 to 3,000. That's my guess for BNB. Stellar Lumens. What's the price right now? I think this could probably do a 10x easy. So I think we're going to at least see a $3 to $5 Stellar Lumen. Now there is a lot of hype around things around XLM and XRP because of stuff happening, in the financial space, monetary transfer. If you're not aware of that, I'm sure you should be. So go look it up. Like XRP, they're looking at possibly using it for cross-border money transfers. I think the same with XLM. So we'll see how those go. Another funny story, actually, all three of these I've been purchasing since 2017. However, XRP, I was buying in 2017 and 2018 for $1.80 average cost. So I was able to get my average buy down to 0.566 because I purchased a lot more when it went below 50 cents. I was, crapping on XRP for a long time because it was basically a stable coin only going down, and actually ends up being one of my biggest gainers. So it's kind of funny, kind of comical for sure. Okay, 158%, doing good. So now what is my price target for XRP? I've always been kind of trolling and say it's never going to go above $3. Now I don't know that I believe that. Maybe I'm going to eat my words on that. My price target was $3 to $5. A lot of people are saying, oh, it's going to go to $10,000. Obviously, they don't know much about mathematics if they think that's true, because that would be more money than there is on Earth. So clearly that won't happen. I doubt every penny of every asset. No one's going to sell every bit of real estate and put it all into XRP. So that will never happen. But I think we could see maybe a $3 to $5 XRP. I'd be real happy. $10 maybe. But I think that's a little bit less probable just because the market cap of XRP is so large already that it needs a lot more money in there to move it. So 158%, doing real good there. Cardano, man, there's been a lot of diehard Cardano fans for a really long time. If you haven't seen the news, basically the news was that they're working with the US government, so the price has been popping off. I have almost 20,000 Cardano, so it's a nice big chunk in my portfolio, and I'm up 130%. So same story. I kind of bought a decent amount a long time ago. But then in this last market here, I mean, Cardano was down a lot. So if we go to like a weekly chart, yeah, look at that weekly chart. We were down in this 30-cent range for a long time. And I did pick up a lot of Cardano around this area, which was pretty good. It's a big coin. A lot of people hold it. It has a high market cap. Usually the higher market cap, the less risky it is, but usually also the smaller gains you get. But look at this, man. We just look at this in what is this? 3 weeks. We're up 200%. That's huge. That's freaking huge. So, price target. Price target on Cardano. It's $1 right now. I think we might, it depends on how adoption goes. Now, again, it has a big market cap, so it needs a lot of money to move it. But if this gets adopted if XRP, Bitcoin, and Cardano get adopted by, I don't know, the US government for payments and strategic reserves, I think those assets are going to go up a lot. So I don't know, we might see a $10 Cardano, might see a $5. I think it should hit $5. So that's another 5x from here. I think it could. I think it really could. Just really depends on how the cycle's going. If this is an actual adoption cycle, it's going to be crazy. Bonk. A lot of bonk. I got a lot of bonk. Why is... This can't be right. Where is... Oh, Solana's right here. I was going to say, Solana should be pretty high on the list, but I'm sorted in percentage, right? Not in dollars. So Bonk doing really good. I don't know much about meme coins, and I feel like it's really hard to predict the price of a meme coin. A utility coin like Cardano, XRP, Stellar, Binance, those are all utility coins. They serve a purpose. So it's kind of easier for me to predict how they're going to move. Bonk and these meme coins, it's almost like, it's like little mini lotto tickets, right? So it just depends on if people enjoy those meme coins and they have a good community and people want to hold them. So I can't really give price predictions for Bonk, Dogecoin. I'm going to skip Zcash because I don't have a lot of this, and I'm going to eliminate that from the thing here. But Kronos, man, another one that really took me from surprise. Kronos. I was down on this guy forever. I was buying a lot in here at around $1.40, I'm sorry, 14 cents. And it was just bleeding. And I was like, man, what a mistake, all this Kronos I had. And then boom, out of nowhere. So if you don't know, this is the coin that's used on crypto.com. If you don't have a crypto.com, I do have a link below if you want to sign up. It's kind of a fun exchange, but I think the fees are kind of outlandish and there's a big spread. So I wouldn't really recommend trading on there, but it is a good place. They do have a lot of coins, and they do, you know, in America, you don't have a huge option for a number of exchanges. So if you're looking for meme coins, I like crypto.com and I like Bitunix is the two best exchanges for meme coins. Bitunix, I have a link below. Bitunix is a great exchange. There's a lot of very small meme coins on there. Crypto.com is good as well, but I just don't like the interface as much. New coins, they don't allow you to use limit orders. The exchange is just weird. The Crypto.com one is just weird. I'll just leave it at that. But I mean, I use it. It's okay. Next one, Solana. Solana's been pretty much my best performer because it's the biggest holding in my account. And you can see I'm up 20 grand on Solana. Kind of a funny story. I sold my Mustang, which was kind of like my most prized possession for a really long time. And I put almost all of it into Solana at about $1. Sorry, not $1, $150, $140 maybe. What's my average buy? Oh yeah, 140. Sorry. I was buying it between 120 and 150-ish. So that's my biggest performer in terms of dollar value besides Bitcoin. Bitcoin's there. Sui is another one, really good, 43% up. Yeah, okay. So those are the best performers. Oh, price target for Solana and Kronos. Kronos kind of has a large market cap. I think we can maybe see a 5x here. So what is that, $1? I think we could hit $1 on Kronos. Another 5x. I think we could. Solana is kind of a wild card. It's just been performing so well. I mean, Solana could technically flip Ethereum, but I don't know that that's going to happen. That's not a prediction, but I think Solana could hit $1,000 best case. I think it's going to hit $500, which is another 2x from here. At least I think it's going to hit 500 to 600, but I think it could go to 1,000. So good one there. Bitcoin, I think it's going to be 220K if you haven't seen my prediction yet for that one. Sui, another performer. You can see what we got going on here. A bunch of other random coins. So TARS AI is a really tiny coin that I'm loving lately. I can find this on Bitunix. I don't know another place to buy TARS AI. It's a really tiny market cap. Look at the market cap on this coin. 91 mil market cap. So if you want to be early, maybe go buy some of this. You might have to use Bitunix though, but I have a link below that gives you a huge discount on fees if you want to use it. Bitunix is a great exchange. They have a crap ton of little baby market cap coins on spot, so it's really cool. So, all right, anyways, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. If you want to sign up for exchanges, I have some links below. I really do like Bitunix. The two most exchanges I use the most are Coinbase and Bitunix. Coinbase, I really like because they have a lot of big coins and the fees are not that bad if you have a decent amount of volume. Bitunix, I like for futures trading and buying really small meme coins. So if you want to use my links below, Bitunix has a lot of stuff. I mean, they have a $5,500 newcomer bonus right now. So if you sign up with Bitunix using my link, you get way lower fees. And depending on how much money you put in, you can get up to $5,500. So pretty good. Here's the breakdown right here. You do have to put a lot to get $5 grand, but you know, if you put 10 grand in, you get $300. So it's a nice little bonus. And that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. Sorry, my throat is still scratchy. I'm still getting over a cold, so sorry about that. But that's it. Have a great day, everyone. See you guys.